Yes.
Yes,
You
fireworks.
guys.
They were on.
They said every night. We've got a pretty good view,
Great view.
right? And Ellie? Not loud, right?
You can hear them, but like not loud.
But you're the
Whoa.
Big green one. It's a huge green one.
Oh, nice.
that
I
is
have to itch my leg.
This is the way to watch fireworks.
Whoa!
Oh, beautiful. Woo!
Ooh.
Green, pretty.
Ooh.
Oh, they're behind it. I didn't realize that.
Oh, nice.
Man, imagine getting a view from that.
Yeah, from that hotel, very close, right? This is still pretty darn good.
It's like there's someone tapping on our window.
Okay, I'm just gonna stop for a minute because I don't know how long they go on for, and I want to send Mama. Oh, it looks like grand finale or something here. No. We're so lucky to get to see this from here.
Yeah.
You guys stayed up all the way to 10 o'clock.
The other time we didn't go off because I stopped it.
That's fine. Yes, you should turn your iPad off and we're going to charge it overnight. Right?
They're pretty. They're prettier. They're prettier off camera from your eyes.
Yes. For
No.
real, they look better, right?
Yeah.
Teacher's opening up drapes or something. Oh, this might be the grand finale. I don't know. There's a lot going on here.
That's my. So cool.
You guys liking it?
Ellie's happy because she doesn't have to hear it.
That's right. Look, even this is exciting for me too.
Not even.
If you see one coming up, you'll know it's gonna.
I didn't know which way we had to look for the fireworks. I wasn't sure where they were going to
Ellie
be.
said, "Oh, the fireworks," and I was like, and I looked over
Imagine
there.
being up in the Ferris wheel right now and watching the fireworks. That'd be cool.
It doesn't look like it's on right now.
Sorry.
Well, the lights are on. Definitely.
No, it's still moving. I don't see it moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is moving. Oh, look. Looks like a grand finale.
Beautiful.
What's the grand finale?
It means like it's going
Yeah.
to be the end.
No.
I'm definitely
Well,
filming this.
They do this every night, so I'm sure it costs them a lot of money to do this.
Well, there's just one down there.
This is definitely the grand finale. That's really cool.
No. Well, so glad
Oh.
I caught it on camera.
That's it, I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
That was great.
Okay.